when we make this beauty. Isn't she fine? Isn't she gorgeous? She cute, right? She real pretty. So let's taste her. Let's taste. Well, let's smell first. Let's smell. I'm feeling tropical. I'm smelling the coconut, the ginger, the pineapple, the mango. So let's give her a little taste here. Okay, these are the ingredients for my thick green shake. So we have some fresh collard greens and fresh spinach. We have some cashew milk, ice, coconut oil, ginger, frozen mango, frozen pineapple, frozen banana, and an orange.